Hello viewers, you are welcome to My Joy Music Studio on YouTube. In this video, I will announce to you about our upcoming skills training masterclass. For those who would like to learn how to establish their music, recording and production studio at the comfort of their home with little capital. The good news is, we have opened our online portal for registration. Registration is still ongoing. Interested people should WhatsApp me now to know what they will use to set up the studio at home. I will show you only 3 tools that are important for this music production business. They're not even expensive to buy. These are the tools I'm using every day to record and produce master tracks for people. This is the best way ever to set up your own music studio and start making money with it. I will teach you how to use only 3 tools to start recording and producing music in your community for people and charge them as well. This is a money-making opportunity for everyone like you. So if you're interested to learn from us, then quickly connect with me on WhatsApp to receive your training fast. Learn how to take action towards your dreams now. The first 5 people will get the lessons for free in the class, but the rest will pay for it. For more information, call us on 055-392-4087 to join us on WhatsApp. Don't miss this opportunity. Grab it now and learn new money-making skills for yourself. Remember that the money you want is hidden in the skills you don't have. So, you must learn some skills to help you make money for yourself. This is from My Joy Music Studio Manager. Thank you for coming.
Let the harmony in. With every note and tune, we bring your vision true. My Joy Music Studio, it's all about you. From recording to production, we do it all. For every artist's journey, big or small. With state-of-the-art tech and a team so grand, your music and media in the best of hands. From recording to production, we do it all. For every artist's journey, big or small. With state-of-the-art tech and a team so grand, your music and media in the best of hands. My Joy Music Studio, where the magic begins. Creating sounds of joy, let the harmony in. With every note and tune, we bring your vision true. My Joy Music Studio, it's all about you. So come to My Joy, where your dreams take flight. In every song and story we bring delight. My Joy Music Studio, creative home. Together we'll make magic, you're never alone. Good.